ಶುರುವಾಯಿತು. ಮಾತು ಶುರುವಾಗಲಿ.
ಸಾರಿ ಜೋರು
ಅವರ ಇನ್ನ ಕೈ ಕರ್ತ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಅನ್ನತ್ತನು ಕೊಡಿ ಕೊಡಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೊಬ್ಬಲ್ ಬೊಬ್ಬಲ್
baba. Tengo con pidani. Good morning. I'm almost near Surya on Puttur Surya highway. So nice actually roads. It's still in good shape even after the rain. The plan is to go towards Kerala because I need to reach Bangalore by Sunday. Today it's Friday morning, and so I'll probably ride towards Kerala. I have few suggestions by Sandesh, Abhijit and Sharat Premachandran from Kerala. So they have given few pointers, not really fixed on anything. I'll probably head towards various places. Now I think from Sudli I'll take a right which goes towards Kerala. There are some inner roads. I didn't take the Kasaragod highway because I heard it's in very bad shape. Probably the first route I actually kept is for the Ranipuram. I heard about this place from like long time. Where is the rain? Where is the rain? Yesterday it was raining like whole day. It didn't even stop, and today morning everything is clear. However, the feel of monsoon is actually still in the air. I can say roads are wet, not that hot, and especially in this region it's cool actually. Okay, let's ride. Here is the parking. I think there is a walk up to the top. Bike luggages are in the bike only. Kept my jacket as well because it will add the weight, whenever there is trekking involved. There is this walkway. There is about 2 kilometers to the viewpoint, it seems. Actually 2.5 kilometers. And I'm already tired. I think I got some good drone shots. So if you see on the back side of me somewhere there, that's actually the viewpoint of the Ranipuram. But there is a small viewpoint here as well. The weather is not that good. It's a bit hot, so I'm not really walking all the way till there, because thing is that this is just start of my ride and I'll be too much tired in the evening, so it will not be that good, and carrying that luggage also it won't be easy for today. I had a very nice viewpoint here. This reminds a bit of Olupuni, but just that you can't get the bikes till here. You have to keep it there and walk. So that's to the top, I think about 2 kilometers from here. So but this place is good enough for me. I'm happy, so I'll head back from here and then probably ride towards Kannur. I'm not getting any network here, so I'll probably, once I get down, I'll see if there is any other place I can actually check there. If not, probably I'll just ride down. I was hoping this would connect somewhere. This is the road now. I don't think I can take it in this route. Actually, it wasn't showing in the maps also that doesn't connect, but I cannot take this bike. No, that's not possible. And even if I take it down, there's no guarantee I can bring it up with that tires. So here ends the search for trail in this route. I need a proper button tires. I got stuck last time trying this, so not this time, not alone. Viewpoint. रोड ಇಲ್ಲ पालक्कम तट्टू नीचे रोड हो जाता है. Thank you. So this is the road, I believe. I parked my bike somewhere over there. So ask them if I can fly the drone here. It seems like it's restricted. One of the cop actually, he went to the top to ask permission. They were also nice. They actually went and asked the guy who manages this place. He gave me like 5-minute access. But thing is that I had to pay for 350 rupees for the drone. This is the only place actually I paid money to fly the drone. I don't know why I did that. Let's hope it's worth it though. That looks interesting. Let's see if I can go there. There is the church I saw there, and I want to go there. Let's go and ask if they will allow. If not, I'll probably head towards Kannur or Iriti. That looks nice. That's the church. This is the church which I saw. Time to go. Seems like some function is there happening, so I don't think it will be the right time to go there. Well, it was. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Chalo, bye bye.
Bye bye.
That was the father actually I spoke to, and he gave a permission, like, okay, fly the drone and give me a copy. Nice fellow. I think now I need to make a decision as to which side I am going, either Kannur or Iriti. So I heard from him that Iriti is like very nearby, but Kannur will take more time. Okay, booked hotel Goa Bibo. I'm not sure how good it is. It was showing about 299 for the room. That's cheap, but I hope it's no blunder now like last time. I'll go and find out. Okay, so I found the hotel and exceeded the expectation. So this is the room. I'm actually living in a mall. I'll go out and show.